How to fix FIFA 21 unable to connect to EA server error on Windows 10. Here's how to fix FIFA 21 unable to connect to EA server error. 1. For LAN cable players, restart your computer. 2. Go to speedtest.net and see if you ran into high ping issue. If so, try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. FYI, for the usage. A VPN in the FIFA game. If you just try to do anything that is against the TOS, of course it is not allowed, but for things that isn't against the TOS it might be okay. Many players using VPN to get higher download speeds when the servers in their own region are overloaded. Also, VPN usage was mentioned in a EA stream once. For more info, contact EA Terms of Service team at https://help.ea.com/n-a/account/information-about-band-or accounts. Furthermore, try EA's connective guide at https://help.ea.com/n/help/faq/connection-troubleshooting-basic and see if that helps out. 3. In the meanwhile, check FIFA 21 server status.